Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly, and today I'm going to show you how to make Monterey chicken. And these are the ingredients you'll need, and I will post in the description box everything that you need and how to do this. Now for this recipe I'm using 2 chicken breasts that I've cut in half, and I find that by doing that it cooks faster because they're thinner and they're not as dry. And it stretches your budget a little bit too. I'm also going to season it with black pepper on both sides. And then I'm going to use this little grill that I have. If you have one, that's great. If not, go ahead and use a frying pan. That works just as well. You just want to cook your chicken till it's basically done, because it's not going to take very long for this to cook in the oven. Add at least a tablespoon of barbecue sauce to each piece of chicken, and depending on the size of your chicken you may need a little bit more. And take a spoon and just spread it over the chicken and make sure you get it on the sides and everything. You want to make sure that it's thoroughly covered. Now add the cheese over the barbecue sauce and just make sure you're covering the chicken completely, and then add the Rotel tomatoes and just take a spoon and then you're going to cover it over the entire piece of chicken. You want to make sure that when you go to eat this that you get a bite of that tomato in every bite. Add bacon bits over the tomatoes, and it's probably about a tablespoon or so. You just want to make sure you're covering it completely, as I said, to make sure you get a bite of everything when you go to eat this. Then add your green onions over that, and then you're going to use as many or as little as you want, but that definitely does help give this some flavor. Then you're going to put it in a preheated oven on 350, and you're just going to cook it until the cheese basically melts on this and it's warm through, because your chicken should pretty much be cooked. But this makes a great meal, and it is a delicious tasting chicken. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in seeing more videos like it, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. And I thank y'all and hope y'all have a blessed day.